Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make your own emoji on iOS 18. So at first open your iPhone settings, click on to general, go to software update, make sure to update your iOS 18. So I'm already update, and go to keyboard, make sure to enable sticker option. So I'm already enable sticker, and open your photo gallery. So I'm select this photo, to long press this photo, and showing it to add sticker option, just click on, then successfully add the sticker. Okay, now I'm check. So open any conversation and open keyboard, click on to sticker, and then showing it to my recently add sticker. So that's it, that's how we can do it.